Hello everybody, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy DACC, okay? And we are going to use KuCoin to buy DACC. Like you can see, KuCoin has Bitcoin and Ethereum pairing for DACC, okay? So I'm going to show you how to first buy or deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum. So obviously you have to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum if you don't already own it, but if you already own it, you can just deposit it. I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? And then you have to trade that Bitcoin or Ethereum into DACC, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's extremely simple and easy, so just follow this tutorial and you're good to go, okay? So the first thing obviously is to sign up on KuCoin. Click the link in description and sign up, okay? So after you have done that, here's how you can buy either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So go to homepage and click buy crypto and click third party, and here you can straight up buy Bitcoin or Ethereum with your credit card, okay? So all you have to do is select Bitcoin or Ethereum. It doesn't matter which one you use because both have pairings on a KuCoin, but in this tutorial I'm going to use Bitcoin, and the same method works for Ethereum, okay? So after you have done that, all you have to do is select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Just type in the amount and then just complete the purchase. By the way, when you click USD, you can select the currency that you want to pay with, okay? And yeah, after you have done the buying, when you go back to your assets, your Bitcoin will show up here, okay? And remember that Bitcoin is extremely slow asset, so it will take 10 to 30 minutes for the Bitcoin to show up in your main wallet. And you can also buy Ethereum, okay? Whatever you want. And here's how you if you already own Bitcoin or Ethereum, all you have to do is go to your assets and click deposit, and here you can straight up see your Bitcoin or Ethereum address, okay? So that's how it works, and you can get your depositing address here. Now you should have some Bitcoin or Ethereum in your main wallet, okay? So the next step is this. So KuCoin has two different wallets, main wallet and trading wallet. When your cryptocurrencies are in your main wallet, you can withdraw them, but you can't trade it, okay? And when your cryptocurrency is in your trading wallet, you can't withdraw it, but you can trade it, okay? So obviously you have to transfer your Bitcoin or Ethereum from main account to trading account in order you to trade that Bitcoin or Ethereum in the DACC, okay? And to transfer between these two wallets is instant, free, and simple. All you have to do is go to your wallet and click the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. After that, click transfer, and here you can see from main account to trading account. All you have to do after that is select how much you want to send, and after you have selected that, just confirm, and it will transfer it in instant, and it's free, like I said, and your cryptocurrency will show up in your trading wallet. And if you want to transfer it back to your main wallet, all you have to do is the same thing, just click the cryptocurrency and do the same thing, okay? So now transfer your Bitcoin or Ethereum into your trading wallet, okay? And then we can start trading that in the DACC. So I now assume that you have your Bitcoin or Ethereum in your trading wallet. Go to markets and search for DACC, okay? And click the which one. If you own Bitcoin, click the Bitcoin pairing. If you own Ethereum, click Ethereum pairing, okay? I'm going to go with Bitcoin, and remember this works for both currencies the same. So if you're using Ethereum, you can just follow this along, okay? And after that, click buy, and here's the actual trading desk. So on the upper left corner you can see DACC/BTC, which basically means that on the left where it says DACC, that is the currency that you are buying, and on the right where it says BTC, that is the currency that you are selling. So you are now currently selling Bitcoin and trading that in the DACC, okay? And the next thing that you have to take in account is look at the right side of my screen. You can see on the bottom you can see green numbers, and on the top you can see red numbers. So the green numbers on the top are buying orders, just like somebody else is trying to buy DACC now, okay? And on the top you can see red numbers, those are sell orders, so somebody is selling DACC, okay? And of course you are buying now DACC, so you want to all you have to do is check out the green numbers here, okay? So when you click the bottom one of the red numbers, that is the lowest amount that somebody is currently selling their DACC tokens, okay? So when you click bottom one, you will automatically get the best price, which basically means you get the most DACC coins for your money. Okay, so always click the bottom one. After that, all you have to do is select how much DACC you want to buy. You can either click the amount and type in here how much you want to buy, or you can use these percents. So for example, if you go with 50%, that means that you are going to sell 50% of your bitcoins and trading that in the DACC. And if you're going with like 100%, that means that you're selling 100% of your bitcoins and trading that in the DACC. Okay, so that's how it works. Now after you have selected how much DACC you want to buy, all you have to do is click buy DACC, and after that the DACC will show up here in your main wallet. Okay, so that's how it works. And now if you want to withdraw the DACC, all you have to do is keep it in your main wallet and click withdraw. After that, type in DACC, and like you can see, here's DACC. All you have to do is click it, and here you can withdraw your DACC tokens. Okay, and if you want to keep trading that DACC token, all you have to do is transfer it to your trading wallet, and you can keep trading it. Okay, so that's how it works. Today the market is red, like blue everywhere. It's pretty refreshing, to be honest, because we have been pumping like non-stop 24/7 for like 2 weeks now. So the red is really refreshing. So good buying opportunities now, in my opinion. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a subscribe and like this video. And if you have any problems with this method, comment down below, and I'm here to help you. Okay, and by means, there's no investment advice, no financial advice. I'm just recording these videos on how to buy these tokens. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.